Hello everyone, back with a quick video today. I made some bolt and nut and screw containers for the shop today. I want to use them to store the assortment of screws, bolts and nuts stored in various drawers or containers in the shop. I use 12mm plywood and cut all pieces to size. My dimensions will be in the pinned comments below if you want to use the same. You can use your own dimensions as you like. I cut the back, bottom and front to the same width, and then trimmed off the corner of the sides so that I can have easy access to the hardware. I used only wood glue and pin nails to assemble all parts. I gave it a light sanding to remove the sharp edges and sides. These boxes can be used and mounted in various different ways. They can be attached to a French cleat wall, simply add a French cleat to the back, or arrange them as you like and screw them to a wall, or even the side of your workbench. This way you have easy access to the hardware whenever assembling a project. Or simply leave them on the workbench to use wherever you need them. I will be attaching mine to the side of the workbench, freeing up some drawer space. So as mentioned, I'll be attaching mine to the side of the workbench. I made a French cleat panel that I can screw onto the side of the workbench and attach some French cleats to the back of the containers. I then went ahead and added a second row of French cleats to the panel for more containers. I then decided to add a shelf to the bottom of the panel where I can store things like glue, finishing oils and any other products I might need. And here you can see the finished panel attached to the side of the workbench. I can now go ahead and add the containers and the hardware. Feel free to go ahead and copy the idea or the dimensions. Thank you for watching.